Yesterday we had the core CPI news and the FOMC statement, and of course because of that we couldn't upload any midweek analysis video. That's the reason, my friends, we have now a late week analysis. I actually had to wait for the market to finish the impact of these news on it before release any analysis video. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment. Also, I'm really happy to share with you guys our progress in the VIP group of Telegram. We are finally receiving happy messages from our clients. For example, this is here a very nice message from this gentleman here. He said that he have made 700 euro in one single day with our signals, and he has never made that by himself in the past. He just paid 50 euro per month for the signals, and he have made 700 euro in just one single day. That is outstanding, and that is really something I'm so proud of. So the signals, guys, has changed. Actually, we have right now a fixed take profit number 1 of 20 pips, fixed take profit level number 2 of 40 pips, and take profit number 3 could be around 100 pips or 60 pips, what matter. It actually depends on the setup, but our take profit number 1 and 2 right now is finally fixed, and as a result the members finally are ending in profit right now, and we have here finally happy messages from our clients. So I'm so proud of it, and I'm so happy, and I hope it will continue this way. Also, of course, you can join our free group of Telegram to receive one free signal every day, and you can receive any updates and notifications about the signals that you're about to receive in this video. So without further ado, let's now begin with the Euro USD. So from my point of view right now, if we look right here at the weekly chart, the Euro USD seems interesting. So what I will do right now is just making the chart a little bit like squeezed, you can say. And right now we can see right here that we had, of course, a broken level of a resistance trend line. So now, right now, what we have right here is an actual breakout from that triangle. So meaning the Euro USD seems like it's going to be bullish for the upcoming days. Not only that, but also right here we have, of course, a level of a support that has indeed been respected. So therefore, first of all, we have the broken level of a resistance trend line, plus we have right here the strong key level of a support that finally has been respected, as we can see right here. So Euro USD seems to be bullish for the upcoming days. So right now, moving to the daily chart right now. Now what we can see right here based on the daily chart is an actual level of a strong key support level that can be found exactly right there. Right here exactly the strongest level of a key support at 1.076. Pay attention. Right here, of course, we had the strong key level of a support. This was also a key support level. And right here, of course, we had multiple attempts of a fake breakouts. But eventually, let me just zoom in to show it to you. Right there exactly, we have the nearest level of a real support to that bullish breakout candle. So I believe that the Euro USD right now, after the impact of the news that happened yesterday, most likely right now we are looking for longing the Euro USD instead of shorting it. I don't believe that shorting the Euro USD is good right now. Indeed, we have sent a signal to sell the Euro USD at a certain point right here on the weekly analysis, but the market has already reversed from the take profit level. So meaning that level of a support has already been retested. Our original analysis on Saturday to sell the Euro USD at this point right here was aiming to reach that level of a support. But the Euro USD has opened on a gap on Monday and already reversed on that level of the support, which means the target has already been reached. Therefore, our analysis now has changed from shorting to longing. So we will most likely wait for the Euro USD to fall to another 38 pips before we can buy it. Our take profit level is going to be right there exactly at that level of a resistance at 1.085, expecting around, I think around 80 maybe, 84 or 85 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support at 1.073, ranging for around 33 pips only. Moving now to the Pound USD. So right now, based on the weekly chart for the Pound USD, we can notice that the market right now has also made a bullish breakout from that long-term resistance trend line, as we can see right here. Actually, to be precise, it's like that. So that was, of course, the level of a resistance trend line and the pound USD has already here created a support trend line, which means now the pound USD most likely is going to continue the rise as well, targeting at least the nearest level of a real resistance right here at 1.299. So by moving now to the daily chart, now what we can see right here is actually a strong bullish price action. Let me just tell you something, guys. This candle right here, once you see this candle appeared as a bullish breakout candle, when the candle has actually a long wick at the top and a medium-sized body with a very tiny small tail like that. If that was your bullish breakout candle, that's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready to rise even more. I don't know if we can find an example right here. If I scroll to the left side, maybe I need to find a breakout level. We can see it right here, actually, one of those. It's this one right here. So here we had, of course, a resistance, as we can see, and that was, of course, the actual bullish breakout candle. That is the candle that I'm talking about, and as we can see, what happened later is a continuation in the rise, and the pair has went in about 170 pips above that level of a breakout. So therefore, back to our current price action, we will most likely look to buy the pound USD exactly right here at that level of a previous key level of a support, exactly right here at 1.275. Why? Because based on the daily chart, combining this price action with that level of a support, I believe that this should be actually a really good level to start buying the pair. That level of a support most likely is going to be respected again. So waiting for the pound USD to fall to another 27 pips before we can proceed to buy it. Now again, take profit level is going to be right here, of course, at the highest level of a real resistance at 1 point, actually not here, to be precise, it's right there, at 1.295, targeting at least 200 pips. No, that's way too much. Let me just, I'm on the daily chart, sorry guys, I forgot, I thought I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So our target will be right here, the highest level of a real resistance, which is the nearest one to our entry at 1.289, which means we will be targeting around 138 pips of profit. And now switch back to the 4-hour time frame. Safe zone that shouldn't also be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here at 1.270, which means the safe zone will be ranging for around 47 pips against 138 pips of profit. Moving now to the AUD USD. So now for the AUD USD, guys, I will just make it short for you. Based on the daily chart, we have something very similar to the pound USD, and it's just almost the same analysis. Right here, we have, of course, a broken level of a key resistance, as we can see, exactly at, let me just be more precise, at 0.663. So that was, of course, a broken level of a key resistance, as we can see right here. Then we had right here the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. And again, we can see the similarity with the AUD USD and the pound USD. Right here, we have the same bullish breakout candle, the one with the long wick at top, medium-sized body, and a tiny tail. So again, waiting for the AUD USD to fall to another 19 or 20 pips only to reach that level of a real support, and I believe the market is going to continue the rise after that to reach the highest level of a real resistance right here exactly at 0.672, which means we can expect around 93 pips profit from this signal. Back now to the 4-hour time frame. So our take profit level will be right here, the resistance. So therefore, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the real support right here as 0.659, ranging for around 37 pips only, aiming again 92 pips hopefully of profit. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the AUD USD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so now for the USDCAD, what we can see right here, guys, based on the 4-hour time frame, of course, is a reaction of the market right here after the FOMC statement. Of course, this was the reaction right here. So right now, I believe that the USDCAD eventually is going to make a correction, and I believe that the USDCAD eventually going to continue the fall. Now, we are actually still at that level of a key resistance right here. The USDCAD still did not manage to break out from that level of a resistance, and so far, what I see right here, from the current price action that we have, it says that the USDCAD most likely is going to continue the fall. Actually, this price action right here is a good sign that the market is getting ready to continue the fall. However, we have to look at the best level to start shorting this pair. Now the question is where? Let me just show you something, guys. What we have right here is actually a good example of the magic of trend lines. Check this out. Right here exactly. like that. Now we can see that right here we had, of course, a real level of a resistance trend line. Remember, I'm on the daily chart right now. So we have here multiple attempts of a resistance trend line that became here a support a trend line, then again resistance trend line, and a fake breakout, and again resistance trend line, resistance trend line, resistance trend line, and then another fake breakout, which means most likely the USDCAD is going to respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue the fall, judging of course from the current price action that we have here in the middle. So let me just correct the line to make it like that. So right now we have to go back to the 4-hour time frame. We can expect from the USDCAD to start the fall after it make a jump to another like 15 pips. By looking at the left side, we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a strong key level of a resistance at 1.376. I believe that the USDCAD is going to continue the fall immediately after reaching that level of a resistance trend line, targeting, of course, the bottom of the support where the market has originally reversed from. Therefore, we can look for around 80 pips profit from this signal and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here at 1.380, because our original analysis is actually based 42 pips. It's originally based on that level of a resistance trend line and a fake breakout right here. So we are hoping for the market to reverse exactly at the same level of a resistance trend line. If the market will be able to reach that level of a resistance, then this setup is no longer valid. So our safe zone doesn't even need to be that high. Let's make it lower, so it can be around 38 pips only against 80 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. Moving now to the pound JPY, which was really a winner. I have sent a signal last week to buy the USDJPY almost from this level of a support, I believe, yes, from here, and the market has reversed exactly and precisely from my entry and has actually went all the way to the take profit level, making around 138 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken it, and please guys, if you took it, share with us in the comments, and again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and again, leave a comment and please share the video. So now what's next with the pound JPY? Actually, I will not release any analysis on it because again, we are right here at the absolutely highest level of a real resistance that the pair has ever reached at 200.696. So that's not really a good idea to send analysis on it. I believe it will continue the rise, but still I cannot risk my followers' funds. We are doing here a serious business and we are not playing games at all. And I know a lot of people trusting my analysis with their money. So therefore, guys, to make sure that hopefully we will have a safe profits with our signals, I'm going to ignore the pound JPY this time. Moving now to the USDCHF. All right, so now what's next with the USDCHF? Now, by moving to the daily chart, we can notice that the market indeed has respected that level of a broken support right here at 0.899. It's a very simple analysis because right here we have a resistance number 1, and I'm expecting from the USDCHF to continue the rise again and respect the same level of a broken key support level as 0.899 and creates here a second attempt of the resistance. Therefore, I believe it's really a simple analysis, guys. We don't really need more than that. I don't see I don't see the need for more analysis on it than that. Even right here in the past, we had a strong key level of a resistance right on the same level. So that level of a resistance is holding the position. Let's wait for the USDCHF to rise to another 41 pips before we can start selling it. However, our take profit level will be the lowest level of a real support as 0.888, where the market has originally reversed from, as we can see right here. And that means that we can look for around 107 pips of profit and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here at 0.904, ranging for around 50 pips only. Let me now write the signal for you. And that's gonna be everything, my friends. And of course, for the gold is running in profit finally. So for running in a profit of about 173 pips. Now, how come you, Salah? You are a liar. You're a scammer. No, it's running only in 66 pips. Why you are saying 170 pips? You're a scammer. Relax. Chill. Actually, what I did right here, guys, let me show it to you. what I did right here is simply announced on my Telegram channel to change the entry of the sell for the gold from 2319 to 2329. And that is of course 2329. And of course, those who did not join our free group of Telegram, they did not receive this notification. So that's the reason I'm telling everybody. It's really important, guys, to join our free group of Telegram to receive such updates about these signals. I might actually send a similar one about any USD signal that I have just sent in front of you. So therefore, make sure to join our free group of Telegram to receive these updates, and also stay tuned for the gold analysis video. I will send it shortly in just few hours. So again, guys, don't forget also to give a chance to our VIP group of Telegram to receive these wonderful signals. And again, this gentleman here is a great example. If he would have listened to the haters and didn't join our signals, he wouldn't have made 700 euro in profit in just one single day. That was so profitable, and I'm so proud of it. Guys, seeing is believing. Try the signals by yourself, and hopefully it will be profitable. And again, don't think that just because this day was profitable, meaning every single day is gonna be so profitable as this one. Signals, guys, cannot be the same every single day. Forex cannot be the same every day. Some days we have to we can make losses. Sometimes we make profits. Thankfully, since we have updated our system in the signals and changed our take profit number 1 and 2, right now we are making, thankfully, consistent profits. And here are the results right in front of you, as you can see. I mean, very small losses compared to these big profits that we are making, total 115 pips so far this week. So I hope, guys, I will see you soon there. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.